I'm Ana Holland. I'm a junior business management major doing the BBA and MBA program. So this summer I had an internship in a steel manufacturing facility up in Michigan where I live, and I was in human resources. I didn't know I wanted to be in human resources when I came to college, but I knew someone who worked at this company and he said, "We need a human resources intern." I said, "Great, let's do it." I considered it because I was a business management major, but now that I've had the internship, I think that that's probably the field I want to go into. In the internship, I conducted interviews with potential employees, I assisted in organizing company events, and then just the basic HR questions from employees. Throughout the internship, I learned a lot of very valuable skills that have helped me in school and will help me after graduation. I've taken a few classes this semester that I can already see have been aided by what I learned from this internship. I'm in an HR management class right now, and I have a little bit of real knowledge in that now. Even if I don't stay at this company, I can use the skills that I've learned, the employee relations and the communication skills, in whatever field I go into. Professors here are always telling us, get an internship, get an internship. It's so valuable, and now that I've done it, I can wholeheartedly agree with them that internships give you that real world experience that you can't get through books. You get the real life, the human interactions, you get the hands-on experience in whatever field you want to go into, and that can help you decide that, like in my instance, I want to go into this, or it can help you decide that you don't want to go into that. And that's a very successful internship as well. It's all about learning. The company asked me to come back next summer, and so I'm really excited to be able to build those relationships and to be able to hopefully get new experiences that I can continue to use in my career. So internships are so very valuable.